Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Metamask on PC. Metamask is available in both Brave and Firefox browsers, but for this video, I'm only going to show you how to get Metamask on Chrome. This will be a quick tutorial, just follow my step. First is open up Google Chrome and go to Google Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, look up Metamask and click on the first one. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and wait for Metamask to install. Once Metamask is done installing, it will automatically take you to its Metamask registration page, and to register, just click on Agree and create a new wallet. Click on Agree, and then create our password. Click on I understand. Metamask cannot recover this password for me, so make sure you remember your password because there are no ways of recovering your password. So click on Create New Wallet, scroll down, click Secure My Wallet, and it will give you a secret recovery phrase. Make sure you remember this recovery phrase because whenever you log in to a MetaMask on a new device, you need to write down some of the words on the secret recovery phrase. So we click on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase if you want to see it, and then you can copy this to clipboard and save this somewhere else, or you can take a picture of it with your phone or screenshot it and save it on your computer. Once you have saved your secret recovery phrase, we can click on Next, and then here you confirm your secret recovery phrase. After confirming your secret recovery phrase, click on Confirm, and then click on Got It, Next, and then Done. And that's how you get Metamask on PC. And that will be all for this video. And if you like the video, click on that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.